I hate Windows! Hello and welcome to another video from Project Reboot. Today I'm going to be talking about Linux Mint, which is a free operating system. Now if you don't like Windows 10, you don't like talking to Cortana, then there is an alternative. And here it is. We've got some PCs really cheap running at Project Reboot, running Linux Mint, so I'm going to be talking about that today. So here we are, we've got a Viglum all-in-one. It's running Linux Mint and it's only £30 plus a Wi-Fi dongle for only £5, so £35 all in, and that includes a keyboard and mouse. So you could be online for £35. So let's go a bit deeper and have a look at Linux Mint and see what you're getting for your zero money, because it's a free operating system. Well, here's the desktop, standard menu system. Okay, so list of accessories, calculator, document viewer, all the usuals in there. Education, I've loaded some educational software on here, which we'll come to later. Plenty of little games I've loaded on as standard. And you've got some graphics packages for editing images. Internet, you've got Firefox, Google Earth, Skype. I've loaded LibreOffice, which is a Microsoft Office compatible program. Sound and video, so if you want to play music, video editing, it's all there. And that's pretty much everything there. There's lots you can do with there. Now, on the Linux Mint website, down the bottom, it actually says here, safe and reliable, it says. No antivirus, no anti-spyware. Now, there's a reason for that. Here is a desktop operating system pie chart. As you can see, Windows takes up, well, around about 88% of all operating systems. Mac OS is in there with just 3.8%. And Linux, as you can see with the arrow there, takes up just 3%. And that is why Linux Mint is not targeted heavily by virus writers. Back to the menu. Here we go. Tux Typing is a kids learn typing game where you press the letters when they come down the screen to complete the word. And it's quite fun, lots of different levels, lots of different games you can play here. Really good. Now moving on to Tux Maths. This is a multi-level game where you can play as a space cadet and you have to shoot the numbers as they come down. So 7 plus 2 equals, press 9 and you've got it. 2 plus 8, 10. Yeah, and there's plenty of levels there as well. Now moving on, Stellarium, where you can learn all about the constellations and everything in the sky. Fantastic program. Moving on, Google Earth. Here we are, look. Yeah, we all know Google Earth. It's there on Linux Mint. Moving on to LibreOffice, which is a Microsoft compatible Office package. So Writer is the same as Word. And you can save it as a docx if you wish. And then Calc Spreadsheet is a XLS, same as Microsoft Spreadsheet, XLS. All does it. So if you're looking for a cheap PC, something that you can get on with easily, perhaps Linux Mint is something that you might want to try out. It's not Windows, it's Linux Mint, from £25 each. How about that? Project Reboot. All the bargains are here.